do you think, girls?
Ellie.
Go get her. Ellie, come. Come here, girls. Ellie and Addison, come here. Come on. Ellie, no. Addison, no. That golden retriever runs just as awkwardly as Addison does. What do you think, girls? Is that fun? Are you finally tired, Schmoops? Yeah, Ellie's zoomies when we first got here were hilarious.
I was like, if this is what you're gonna do, we are not gonna be able to make it. No, Ellie.
Oh, I didn't see the big dog. Sorry.
Ellie, come here. Thank you. You're not normally friendly.
That dog could literally eat you.
You don't go and visit people.
That dog was enormous.
Yeah.
Now leave them alone, baby. See what they do. Addison, stop drinking the water. Yeah, it probably tastes like shit, doesn't it? She's like, oh, let me get some more. Let me get some more.
It does not. Maybe it's different over here.
Hi, smileys. Hi, smiley girls.
Ellie girl. Ellie baby. Ellie
Look at this. I got 3 smiley girls. Hey. This is beautiful.
I know. Ellie girl. Yeah, that's the sweet stuff.
Come on, guys.
Come here, girls. Come here.
Morning.
Come on, girls. Oh.
Ellie, is that your friend now?
Yeah, you want to play?
It's about 5 times the size of you.
And he's still a puppy.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's 9 months old.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
What kind of dog is he?
He's a yellow lab.
He's all just yellow lab?
Yellow lab, yeah.
Wow, he's a big one.
He's going to be a small horse, I think.
Yeah, yeah. That's a big lab. Holy cow. Babe, relax. I'm not going anywhere. This isn't the battlefield where they could disappear into the brush.